In this video, we're going to be looking at the multitasking features of Windows. So for multitasking, you have two main features. The first one being Snap, and the second one being virtual desktops. So Snap, what that is you can arrange multiple windows next to each other. What I'm going to do for some examples, I'm just going to open a few different programs or applications here, and then kind of show you what happens when we kind of do the Snap feature. So again, what we're looking at here is, so for Snap, I have all these enabled right now. So the first option is arrange windows automatically by dragging them to the sides or corners of the screen. And so what that's going to do, and I'll demonstrate all this in a moment, is basically I pull a window over, it'll kind of automatically show you how it's going to resize. And then what's going to happen is then once I snap that window, it'll automatically size it to fill the available space, and then show what can be filled next to it. And then when I resize a snapped window, it'll resize any of the adjacent snapped windows as well. So I will demonstrate most of these features here for you now. So say I want to take my File Explorer and I want to show it all the way on this left side. So I'm going to drag it. As you can see how it sort of highlights. Let me pull that away. As the cursor hits the side, you can kind of see that, and say let go. It's going to snap it over there and say, okay, well now I want to see the notepad on the rest of this. Boom. So it's here. But okay, well let me say I actually don't want the notepad just there, but I want it in just that top portion, so I can drag it to the top right corner, and then let's say I want to see the calculator, so it's going to fill in the rest of the space with the calculator. So that is essentially how the multitasking Snap feature works. And then Windows also has what's called virtual desktops, and that's what this icon here is. So it says Task View. So if you click on it, it'll show you all the open windows on the desktop you're on. Plus, you can see all the other desktops that are open. And so in this case, I currently have 3 virtual desktops running. And so, as you can see, I have it set currently on the taskbar. It's only showing windows that are open on the desktop I'm currently in. And then if I was going to do the Alt-Tab to show the windows that are open, it's only going to show again on the desktop I'm in. But on both of these, you have the option to do for all desktops. We'll essentially do the same thing that this says, but instead of just the one desktop, it'll show you for any desktop or virtual desktop that you have enabled. So again, we had Snap, where you can put a window to one side, left, right, or a particular corner, top left, right top, right bottom, etc. And then all the other windows you can choose to fill in the rest of the space accordingly. So that is multitasking. So again, any questions, comments, please fill out the video survey and do reference the video code that will be displayed here in the video. Thank you.